Welcome to our channel Masocean Study Center. In this video we have tried to discuss types of paragraph and how to write a paragraph. Classification of paragraph. Paragraph can be classified into the following main types. Narrative paragraph tells a story or describes an event in sequence. Example, how I spent my summer vacation. Descriptive paragraph describe a person, place, object or feeling. Example, my school garden. Expository paragraph explain a fact, idea or processes in a clear way. Example, causes of pollution. Persuasive paragraph tries to convince the reader about an opinion or point of view. Example, why we should plant more trees. Comparative and contrast paragraph shows similarities and differences between two ideas or things. Example, city life versus village life. Basic rule to write a good paragraph. A paragraph should discuss only one main idea. Example, if the topic is my pet dog, don't start talking about cats or bats. That means you only focus on your main things. Topic sentence. Start with a sentence that gives the main idea. Example, my school is one of the best places in my life. Supporting sentences. Add details, example or explanation to support the main idea. Example, it has a large playground where we play football and cricket. There has 30th classroom and a hall room. Coherence and order. Arrange sentences logically. Time order, importance, cause and effect. Use linking words. Firstly, secondly, therefore, however, finally, next, etc. Conclusion or closing sentence. End with a short summary or feeling. Example, that is why my school is my second home. But you must be remember, whenever you write a paragraph, you must read attentively the given following points and create an idea about the paragraphs. Then you have tried to write. Length for class 5 to 7, basically in our West Bengal board we have write 5 or 7 sentences. For class 8 to 12 we have write 8 or 12 sentences depending on marks. Thank you watching this.